Hi everyone, I'm Giorgia, I'm a PhD student and I'm working at the Department of Neurosciences of the Università di Verona under the supervision of Professor Silvia Savazzi, and I'm going to introduce you my project about the spatiotemporal dynamics of attentional orienting and reorienting. My PhD project is included in the fascinating domain of the cognitive neurosciences, which consists of the scientific study of the cognitive function along with the investigation of which brain regions underlying these cognitive processes. Why it is so important to increase our knowledge about them? Because by them depends how our brain works, allowing us to deal with the surrounding environment. Cognitive functions are, for instance, perception, memory, language, and also attention. Attention is one of the most transversal cognitive functions. It constitutes a filtering mechanism which selects the most relevant stimuli for each specific situation, ignoring all the other irrelevant stimuli. And if you think about it, you can realize how much this process is important, because otherwise our brain would be full of irrelevant stimuli, so it would be oversaturated uselessly. And attention is the main topic of my PhD project. Actually, I'm studying a specific attentional sphere, which is the visuospatial attention, trying to deepen two sub-processes that are the attentional orienting and the attentional reorienting. Let me try to explain them by using an example. Here, this is a restaurant, as you can see, and my friends are waiting for me since, as always, I'm late. So I walk into the restaurant and I need to look for my friends, especially for my friend Mario. The waiter helps me and indicates the location where my friend Mario is sitting. So accordingly, I voluntarily allocate my attention toward the location indicated by the waiter, and there I can see and find my friend Mario. So I will be, in this case, faster to reach my friends, and this situation represents what we call attentional orienting. But considering the case in which this person is not my friend Mario, I needed to disengage my attention and to reorient it to another location of the restaurant, finally finding my friend Mario. This second situation represents what we call attentional reorienting, and in this case, I will be slower to reach my friends. So the main purposes of my project were to understand which specific brain regions are involved in these cognitive processes, trying to determine their exact timing of activations, and we wanted to investigate the temporal relationship between these brain regions. How we did it? By combining two data, the behavioral data and the neuroimaging data. Behavioral data are, for example, the action times, while neuroimaging data represent brain activity. And thanks to this combination, we've been able to obtain really significant results. Indeed, moving to the results, we found that two different groups are responsible for these processes becoming active with specific timing of activation, and we have been able to highlight which were this timing of activation, and remarkably, we observed how these brain regions talk to each other in mediating these processes. And this constitutes a truly innovative and promising evidence. Indeed, thanks to its innovative approach, the current research has the potential to have a real impact on several aspects of our society. But in my opinion, this project can have strong scientific and clinical impact. Mainly regarding the scientific impact, indeed, we have succeeded in defining the relationship between different brain regions. So by using novel methods, we provided promising evidence to expand already existing neuroscientific models. While with respect to the clinical impact, our results can be employed to improve neurorehabilitative protocols, especially those ones targeted to patients with specific neurological disorder deficits. Indeed, the final goal of our job is always to enhance awareness about the human brain functioning in order to improve neurological patients' quality of life. I want to thank you for your attention, and I want to thank all the members of my lab, and especially thanks to my supervisor, Silvia Savazzi. Bye!